Another question is, should I sign like my old passport or should I sign like my driver's license? Why are they different? Your signature should be the same at all times. However, you're applying for the Jamaican passport. If your signature has not changed because of any significant change in your name, then you should sign like your passport. However, there is no requirement that you must sign the same way your passport was signed 10 years ago. Your name could have changed, your signature could have evolved, but if you're signing differently, then you should probably have an ID that supports this new signature, and you should indicate that on your application form. Persons applying from minor to adults usually ask this question. When they did the passport, their parent did it for them, and so now they're not quite sure what to do. There is room for you to change your signature now. You signed when you were 12, 13, 7, 9, and so you had not established your adult signatures yet. Now it is very likely you have an adult signature. If you are signing differently on your passport, you should ideally have an ID with this new adult signature. If you do not, there are ways to get around it. And again, this is going to end up being a longer video. I will have to put this one on YouTube because you'd have to indicate on your application and sign again. So this is going to get very long. But from minor to adult, you may change your signature, but you have to offer some sort of explanation and have a supporting ID.
I'm Gail of 876 Documents. Please contact us if you need assistance with getting your application done thoroughly and expeditiously to avoid any kind of delays or rejection. Thank you for watching.
Not the US government.